already studied what you mean by website. Then we are going to study about the components of a website. So first components means web host. So I already told hosting means uploading that website to a web server. So first component is web host. So hosting is a website is physically located. Hosting is where the website is physically located. So group of linked web pages qualify to be called website only when it is hosted on a web server. So the different web pages are linked together to make a website. When a website is hosted, then only it is available to the anyone through the internet. So hosting is the method of hosting is where a website is physically located or physically stored. That is called a web host. So the website is hosted on a web server. So on a web server somewhere are a set of files that are transmitted to the user computer when they specify the address of the website. So if you want a particular website, we are specify the URL through the HTTP request. Then from the web server we can get back that particular page website. So this is a working of web server. So that is a web host. So second important component is address. So address we already study one address URL. So this is the address of the website, that is called URL, uniform resource located. So when someone asks to see a website, then he need to put this address into the web browser. Then the asked site is delivered by the web server. So if you want to see a website, so we just put an URL, means that address, in the web browser. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So just paste that address URL, then that request is automatically back to go to the web server. Then the web server give back that particular page. That is called address. So next important component of a website is home page. Home page is the every website has a home page. This is the first page that appears when the users go to the website. So we just the first page of the website, it is called a home page. So from the home page we can move to the any one of the page by using different types of linking. So next component is design. So it is an overall look and feel of a website, has a result of proper use of integration elements like navigation menu, graphics and layout. So the overall viewing looking is called a design. So we can using different types of navigation menu. Navigation menu means we can move from one page to another page, then graphics and different types of layout techniques. So we already studied the different types of technique by using CSS and other methods. Then the next component is the actual content. So all the web pages contained in the website together to make up the content of a website. So website content means the different pages containing different content. So all the contents are all the web pages contained in the website together make a content of the website. So when we what is the content of the web page means all the web pages contain the all the contents of the website. So this is called contents. So next one is navigation structure. The navigation structure of a website in the order of the pages, which means what is the first page, what is the second page, that's the order, that is called navigation structure. So normally first the home page, then by clicking from this home page we can move to the any other page, that is called navigation structure. So navigation is possible by using different types of linking methods. So internal linking and external linkings are the different linking method is used to move from one page to another page in a website. So this is the main components of the website. First component is web host, then address, home page, design, then content, then navigation structure. So for exam questions like write and explain the different components of a website. So not a web page, website. So here right side one notice there we are we have given above the components of a website, not a web page. So not confuse that this is a component of website, not a web page. So most of the people mistakenly consider the component of a web page as the component of a website. So component of web page and the component of a websites are different. So here we now discuss the component of a website. Website of components means first one is web host, then address, home page, design, content and navigation structure. So this is the components of website.